Join me as I challenge myself to implement all 10 journaling tips for mental clarity and see how they transform my mindset. Journaling is an incredibly powerful tool that can help you achieve mental clarity and tap into the law of attraction. By putting your thoughts and feelings down on paper, you can process them, release them, and gain a deeper understanding of what you want and need in your life. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my top 10 journaling tips for achieving mental clarity and harnessing the power of the law of attraction. Have you ever felt like your mind is a jumbled mess of thoughts and emotions, making it hard to focus on what you want to achieve? You're not alone. Many of us struggle with clarity of thought, and it can hold us back from living the life we truly desire. Journaling can be a game changer in this area, helping you to clarify your thoughts, identify patterns and habits that hold you back, and gain insight into what's blocking you from moving forward. When you take the time to journal, you can begin to quiet your mind and listen to your intuition, which is essential for making decisions that align with your highest good. Without clarity of thought, you can feel stuck, uncertain, and unsure of what you want, which can lead to feelings of frustration and disappointment. By incorporating journaling into your daily routine, you can break free from the cycle of uncertainty and tap into your inner wisdom. One of the biggest benefits of journaling is that it allows you to process your emotions and release them in a healthy way. When you're feeling overwhelmed or stressed, journaling can be a great way to get everything off your chest and out of your head. By putting your thoughts and feelings down on paper, you can begin to see patterns and cycles that may be holding you back, and you can start to break free from them. This can be especially helpful when it comes to dealing with negative thoughts and emotions that can sabotage your success and happiness. By acknowledging and releasing these thoughts and emotions, you can make room for more positive and empowering ones, which can help you to manifest your desires and live a more fulfilling life. Another common struggle people face is feeling stuck in their personal growth and development. They may feel like they're not making progress or that they're not good enough. Journaling can be a powerful tool in overcoming these feelings, as it allows you to reflect on your progress, celebrate your successes, and identify areas where you need to improve. By regularly journaling, you can develop a greater sense of self-awareness, which is essential for making positive changes in your life. Okay, so let's dive into the 10 journaling tips for mental clarity and tapping into the law of attraction. 1. To make journaling a habit, consistency is key when it comes to developing a journaling practice that will bring you results. 2. To be honest with yourself, your journal is a safe space for you to be completely honest and authentic, so don't hold back. 3. To focus on the present moment, instead of worrying about the past or future, bring your attention to the present moment and what you can do to improve it. 4. To practice gratitude, writing down things you're grateful for can help shift your focus away from lack and towards abundance. 5. To write without judgment, don't worry about grammar, spelling, or sentence structure. Just write from the heart and let your thoughts flow onto the page. 6. To use prompts, if you're feeling stuck, use prompts to get you started. 7. To write by hand, there's something special about putting pen to paper and watching your thoughts come to life. 8. To keep your journal private, this is your sacred space, so don't worry about what others might think. 9. To review and reflect regularly, take time to review your journal entries and reflect on how far you've come. 10. To trust the process. Journaling is a journey, and it may take time to see results, but trust that the process is working for you. Of all these tips, I think the most impactful one is to be honest with yourself. When you're honest with yourself, you can begin to see areas where you need to improve, and you can start to make positive changes in your life. This can be incredibly powerful for breaking free from patterns and cycles that hold you back and tapping into the law of attraction. When you're honest with yourself, You can begin to let go of fears, doubts, and limitations that hold you back, and you can start to tap into your true potential. This can be incredibly empowering, as it allows you to take control of your life and create the reality you desire. By being honest with yourself, you can begin to manifest your desires and live a more fulfilling life. So, I encourage you to take action on these tips and start journaling today. In conclusion, journaling is an incredibly powerful tool that can help you achieve mental clarity and tap into the law of attraction. By incorporating these 10 tips into your daily routine, you can begin to see profound changes in your life and manifest your desires. Remember, journaling is a journey, and it takes time and consistency to see results, but trust the process and know that it's worth it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your own journaling experiences in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more tips on personal development and manifesting your desires.